forgot that I told you that it's my niche. Play my role, what you hold, little boy, best don't reach. Your shit dirt, you get curved, I just saw and reap. With that ease, hella clean, rips all on your.
Don't give up! Ha 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 ha. Pamela, 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 Pamela. By now, you guys know who Pamela is. Another beautiful, talented fitness, YouTube, legend, boss woman. Yep, that's a good description. Her workout videos are everywhere. Her workout challenge results are everywhere. She's just everywhere. And I was like, okay, fine, I'll do it. In the past, I've done a ton of Pamela's workouts. Quick burn, no talking, no bullshit. That's what we like. And she's always looking so put together. Well, I'm just looking like that. Yep. Is she human? Okay, so I just finished my morning workout and I'm very sweaty, very tired, but Pamela is waiting. If you know me, you know I don't really care about having abs or a flat stomach. I truly just love my body for what it allows me to do. But that doesn't mean that we can't suffer through workout challenges, because I think it's actually pretty fun pushing and challenging my body. And this was kind of for experimental purposes, and I thought you guys would enjoy watching me get tortured for 2 weeks, because I definitely loved every minute of it. So we're doing this workout 2 times every day for 2 weeks, and it's supposed to get you a 6-pack. So this is my 1-day 6-pack look. Yes, it's quite missing, but we love it anyways. And just for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be doing some measurements, but as you can see, I really don't care about my waist size because I have absolutely no idea what I am doing. I always have so much trouble doing this. It's 27. Do I see that? Do you see that there? 27. And now my hips. Someone told me that I have to measure from my butt. That's my butt. If I'm doing this wrong, I'm so sorry. I don't know where my butt is biggest. Here? I don't freaking know. Excuse me. 36? Does that sound like right?
Hold on, stress me.
I've said this before, but I'll say it again. I hate repetition. Like, it's my worst enemy. I get so bored so quickly. Okay, my hair is doing something. Let's do the second round. We got this. It's actually excruciating for me to do the same thing every single day, let alone 2 times a day, but it's called a workout challenge for a reason, and I'm always up for a good torturing. It is time to shower. I don't know what's going on with my hair. It wasn't like super difficult, but there were times where I was like, Yeah, doing 2 in a row is much, much more difficult than doing 1. It's 11 o'clock, and I don't want to do it alone, so I forced my brother to do it with me. He's the legs that you see right there.
Why is there no break?
She's a savage!
No! Oh my god.
Don't give up!
Ow, no.
Don't give up! The no break really gets you.
No break is no joke. I can't do it anymore.
You're already so far! See guys, my brother can't even do it! And he's a grown man.
She's so ripped.
Done!
I couldn't do that at all.
Complete. I'm gonna go to bed now. Bye. I thought you guys should know that I'm also adding this on to my workouts, not just doing the ab workout, and I'm also not eating super healthy. You can go watch my other videos to see what I mean. My diet is kind of just pancakes, peanut butter, and popcorners. Now 10 o'clock at night, and we're doing it again. Brother's joining me again.
Oh.
Ew.
Oh my god. Oh. Ow. Oh no. Oh my god, I can't do it.
You can do it!
It hurts. Oh.
We're so close. It's so far.
I failed that miserably. Cut me out of the video.
You see the sweat? Oh, I look like...
I think you're getting fitter by doing this test today. It's actually really hard. I see results.
You've done it like 3 times.
No, I see results on you.
Oh.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah!
I have to side plank. Oh, you can't bite me.
You like that workout?
Oh my god.
You look so cute. perspiration. So this was my halfway point, and to be honest, I was quite shocked, but keep in mind, I was also filming my I Went Vegan for a Week video, so who knows, that could have caused this change.
Getting a little repetitive, but still just as difficult. Oh my god. Ugh.
Maybe the change in my stomach was due to my new adopted diet, or maybe it was Pamela, or maybe my body just did it on its own. I always keep in mind that my body is always changing all the time, and progress in a span of a week doesn't really depict the effectiveness of a workout.
Oh, sweat drops. Looks like I'm crying. Awesome.
There are so many other factors that impact the way our bodies look day to day, so that's a huge reason why I don't focus on my physical appearance, but instead I choose to focus on my strength and how I feel.
Ow, Milo!
Hello. No. No.
Stop! Ow! Ew, I smell it! What the fuck? Oh my god! It's already bad enough. We have to do this and I can't breathe. I don't want to do another 10 minutes of this ever again in my life. Unfortunately, we have like 20 more of them to do, so.
So honestly at this point I was just bored, and I'm telling you now, I do not recommend for anyone to do this unless you really like doing the same freaking workout every day. But yeah, not me, not a fan.
Good job, baby.
I think these workout challenges have forced us to kind of focus on the wrong type of progress.
What?
Although getting more definition is a great outcome of exercise, what we should focus on is our strength that you gain, not the abs that you gain. Focus on the accomplishment that you feel from finishing a workout or working out at all. You should be proud of even starting a workout challenge, because that means that you want to improve yourself and build your strength and work on your health. And that is what we like to see.
I'm gonna eat ice cream after this.
Say bye-bye.
Cause it's do or die. It's do or die. Now I keep on
Really? You're gonna leave
driving
me?
perfect circles. Wonder if it's worth it. Always getting hurt and I keep on driving perfect circles. Wonder what's the purpose. I'm coming back to earth.
If we're going to talk about the difficulty level of this workout, honestly, this ab workout kills. My brother is a witness. I can't believe 34 million people have tortured themselves with this.
Fart.
No.
Oh my god.
Yeah, there I did fart.
Oh my god. Oh my god. The entire video is just gonna be you farting.
Yeah.
Moving over here. Evil. Holy shit.
Oh, I'm so proud of myself. I almost did the whole thing.
Yay.
Do not. There is no try. Please don't do it to me.
This is the last time I'm ever gonna have to look at this screen, ever.
This is the last workout! Oh no.
Hysterical laugh.
Oh, why is it harder? I thought it was getting stronger. We're so close. Oh, never again. Yay!
Oh, I finally did it.
Okay, run away.
Woohoo! I am so happy I never have to do that workout again ever in my entire life. I hope you enjoyed that, because I definitely didn't. So without further ado, here are the results. Okay, yeah, I see a little bit more definition, but what I was really interested in is that I actually saw more definition in 7 days than I did in 14 days.
Still don't know how to do this. 36.5.
And yes, if I'm gonna be honest, the 1 week results are quite a lot more drastic than the 2-week results. But we have to remember that our bodies fluctuate so much day to day, and even morning to night. My body does not look the same from when I wake up to when I go to bed. So you really shouldn't be beating yourself up if you aren't getting these huge changes that everyone on YouTube seems to be getting after just 1 or 2 weeks. We have to remember that life happens. Progress is not linear, and your body really isn't gonna change that much in just 2 weeks. Although yes, they're great and motivational and have gotten so many people to start their fitness journeys, I feel like social media has created this false expectation that we have to get results after doing these workouts, or we like failed or something. Or that everyone is supposed to get the same results, which is total bullshit. Because I'm telling you right now, that is just not realistic for a lot of people. And maybe, yeah, someone can get a 6-pack in 2 weeks, but I'm not one of them. And maybe you aren't either, and that's totally fine. But the fact that my 1 week looked more defined than my 2 week just shows how much my body fluctuates and how little this workout actually impacted my abs. Even though this workout did not give me abs, it did give me confidence. I did it. I said I was gonna do it, and I accomplished it, and that feeling of accomplishment, no matter how small, is greater than any of the results that I may or may not have seen. As always, my diet did not change. Like, actually, you can check out any of my other videos. That is how I eat every single week. Basically, my diet is just this. Yes, and I'm proud of it. These 2 weeks of working out taught me that, first of all, Pamela is freaking strong, and abs don't come from just doing 28 ab workouts, but instead, so many other things. So don't let the results influence how you see yourself. And don't think just because you didn't get the results that you failed, because that's just not how abs work. Progress isn't only displayed physically. Progress can be mental strength, discovering your favorite workouts, discovering your strength. Progress is pushing yourself through 1 more rep, 1 more workout, or 1 more burpee. Every day you're improving and learning and getting older and wiser, even if you can't see it physically. Anyways, that ends off this video. I hope watching my brother fart in my face and my dog chew my hair was fun for you all. But I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Milo, sit. Say bye-bye.
Okay, see ya.